Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you this Friday afternoon from the booth overlooking the New York Stock Exchange, as you can tell right behind me. And it's a beautiful summer Friday afternoon here in the Big Apple, and that means one thing. I want to get out of here and start the weekend. So you know what we do here at Modern Wall Street. It's not quite 4 o'clock. The markets are closing very soon, but we're going to get the weekend started early. You know why? Because it's an early Friday happy hour in the Big Apple. Now, U.S. stocks, they're lower this Friday, with healthcare and tech stocks continuing to lag amid continued uncertainty ahead of next week's Brexit vote. And that's where we'll start with the United Kingdom. The vote on whether to leave the European Union is scheduled for next Thursday. There's a ton of speculation, a ton of hype, and investors all have to wait until late next week to see exactly what happens. Meanwhile, on the domestic data front, housing starts declining 0.3% in May, while building permits rising 0.7%. Today also marking options expiration. At the same time, U.S. crude oil futures attempting to snap a 6-day losing streak. Oil trading more than 2.5% higher, above $47.50 a barrel. The U.S. dollar 1/3% lower this afternoon, and gold is slightly lower. You combine all of this and you have yourself a session right now where about 9 stocks are on the upside for every 5 decliners. Right behind me here at the New York Stock Exchange. Let's take a look to see how the markets are shaping up to not just close out this session, but the week as well. And on the corporate front, we have to talk about it. Apple trading 2% lower. Intellectual property regulators in Beijing, China, barring the tech company from selling models of the iPhone 6 and 6 Plus in the city, citing strong similarity to an existing Chinese phone. Apple said in a statement that it is appealing the ruling and that the phones are available for sale today in China. Meanwhile, we're going to end like we always do on Fridays. We got to talk about some sports, right? We have Euro 2016 action. France and Italy already in. Italy winning this morning. Forza Italia. At the same time, let's go Mets. We got to have a great weekend. Great win yesterday from Big Sexy Bartolo. We also have WWE Money in the Bank. Meh. NBA Finals Game 7 on Sunday. I'll try to catch that. PGA Tour, US Open. Spieth. But more importantly, USA, USA, USA. Live to fight another day. Next week, likely versus Argentina, following yesterday's win against Ecuador. And with that, kick back, relax, grab yourself a drink, enjoy the beautiful weather in the tri-state area if you are here. I'll see you guys all on Monday morning. For Modern Wall Street, I'm James Sweeney.